Good morning, Shubham. Your interview is on which date and in which place?
uh, at on 8 November in Pune.
Good. Can you please tell us about yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Shubham Chandrakant Yevla. I am from Satana, a town in Nasik district. Uh, I hold a bachelor's degree in physics, and I completed my MBA in finance with a minor in business analytics. Uh, During my MBA, I gained a practical experience of internship at Nilons Enterprises Private Limited, where I serve as a tax intern. Uh, then, apart from this, I am passionate about decorating and playing darbuka. I love to explore nature through trekking, and I like to participate in sustainable practices. That's all about me, sir.
You said you had tax intern practices. Are you now working or not?
No, sir. It is
Now
just
you
a
are.
part of college curriculum that we have to complete an internship of 2 months.
When did you complete your postgraduate degree?
This year in July 2024, sir.
Very good. Now, can you please tell me about the income tax rules? What is the slab of income tax?
Uh, yes, sir. So according to if we choose new tax regime, so up to 3 lakhs there is no tax. Then up to 3 to 7 lakhs, the tax is 5%. Then up to 7 to 10 lakhs, it is 10%. Then 10 to 12 lakhs, it is 15%. Then 12 to 15 lakhs, it is 20%, and above 15 lakhs, it is above
30%.
I'm not 30%.
30%.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. You told this correctly.
Sir, I have one question.
Mm.
Uh, that Are this tax slab correct?
Yeah, you are right.
Because
You are
yes, sir,
correct.
okay.
What you
Then
told is
so
right. And I will
then
show
I'm
you.
confused between
I will
old
show
tax
you.
rates.
I will show you. You talk only about the new slab, new regime only, because government is keen on pushing the new slab rate only. You see online,
Yes,
I will show you. You read it once again. I think it is similar to what you said. Please read.
yes, sir. Up to 3 lakhs nil, 3 to 7 lakhs 5%, 7 to 10 lakhs 10%, 10 to 12 lakhs 15%, 12 to 15 lakhs 20%, more than 15 lakhs 30%.
Good.
Okay, sir.
This is correct. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Now, recently, there has been an instruction from the Central Board of Direct Taxes to the income tax officers regarding charging of interest on income tax arrears. What is it?
Mm, sorry, sir, I am not aware of it.
It has come only in today's report. I have posted a video also. I have shared the Banking Today magazine also today. The
Yes, sir.
CBDT has told the income tax officers they are empowered to waive the interest or reduce the interest on the arrears of interest paid by the income tax person. Okay, income tax
Yes, sir.
pay. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So that's right. Now, what do you know about GST tax?
GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. It is an indirect tax levied on the goods and services. GST has outdated or outweigh the many taxes like excise duty, VAT, and service tax. Uh, GST rates are 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. It is a destination based tax system, which means that the tax is collected at the point of consumption rather than at the point of origin.
You told this also nicely. Very nice. Now, which bank are you having an account?
I'm having my account in Bank of Maharashtra.
You said you have done finance. What is that? Some subject you studied. Finance analysis. No? What is it you
No,
studied?
sir. My major was finance. My minor was business analytics.
Business analytics. Can you
Yeah.
explain what is business analytics?
So business analytics is analyzing the business parameters or performance. It involves like using programming language or using historical or current performance of the business. So yeah, I was having only one subject related to that, so it was very difficult for me to. Means I just passed it in college. I'm not having
Yeah,
any coding or
idea.
programming knowledge. Yes, sir.
Very good. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, please tell me who is the MD and CEO of our Bank of Maharashtra?
So MD CEO is Ashok Vaswani,
Good. Who is the MD and CEO of our Federal Bank?
KVS Manian,
Yeah, KVS Manian, not Manian.
Manian. Okay,
Manian.
sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now, tell us about your family.
Uh, so we are a small family of four members. My father, my mother, my younger brother, and myself. My father runs a small grocery shop in our town. My mother is a housewife, and my brother is in 12th standard.
Mhm. Mm, do
So it
you
is it
do you have
is it
any? Yes, please tell me.
so is it enough to tell about family this much, or I have to
No, no, you have to
explain
tell
more?
about the occupation of father, mother, and brother. If he is studying, you should tell about studies. It is okay, no problem, not much.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Now, um, you told about parents' occupation. What is your native place?
Satana.
Satana. For what is
It
Satana
is a
known?
town in Nasik district. Okay. So
Is
Satana is
is known for what? And name some important people living there.
yes, sir. Satana is the only town in the world, sir, having a temple of and government official known as called as Yashwantrao Maharaj because he has done a lot for the people. So Satana town is having his temple, and by his name every year there is a fair in our town. So Satana is also uh, good or produces onions and sugar canes on a large scale.
Acha.
And
This Maharaja was Maharaja during which period? Before
sir,
independence.
yes, sir, before independence.
Is the Maharaja family also nowadays living there?
Uh,
No
no,
idea.
sir. Sir, he was actually from Yeola town, means whatever my surname is, Yeola. So there is a town named
Mhm.
Yeola. So he was from that town. So he was an officer in our town, and he did so much for our people. So his temple is in our town.
Mhm. Good. You said Maharaja, or was he an officer of the government?
So people have given him the name Maharaj. Like
Oh,
his
but
name
he
was
was a
Yashwantrao.
but he was a British government's viceroy or somebody responsible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, did you check up about the Wikipedia? What is it telling about him?
Uh,
No,
I have not read about the history.
no.
I will read it, sir.
Let me please tell what is his name.
Yashwantrao
1 minute. Yashwant Rao
Maharaj
Maharaj of which place? Satana.
of Satana. Yes, sir.
Satana.
Yeah, no. Yes, sir.
Sant Dev
Yes.
Mamladar Yashwantrad Maharaj Samadhi Punyatit. There is a blog, Wikipedia, says Satana is a town municipal council. Geography. Mm, it's a report about our Satana only. It is telling about Satana only, but not about Yashwantrad Maharaj Rath. I think you have some Rath facility.
Yes, sir. Rath Yatra we are having.
Rath Yatra is there. Good.
Yes, and
Excellent.
after that Rath Yatra, we are having 15 days fair in
Acha,
Old
how
Town.
far is it from Shirdi?
Shirdi around 150 to 200 kilometers.
Acha, very good. That's nice.
Yes,
Now, coming to banking. So,
yes, sir.
can you tell me what are the various deposit schemes offered by Federal Bank?
Deposit schemes.
Hmm.
So
Why it
Federal
is a
Bank of
no, it's simple question. They are what are the deposit schemes? So other banks offering same thing these people are offering, but they have different names for different deposits like savings bank. If you have gone through that, you will know it. Please go through the website. They give
so
they give current account and savings account. They also give fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Under savings
yes, sir.
account, they have different types of savings account. Under current account also, they have two or three types of current accounts. And you should know what is the difference between current account and savings account. So tell me, have you heard of the CASA percentage? What is CASA percentage?
Sir, it is 29.27 percentage, I think.
True. What is it? You should tell
Okay, sir.
the
So CASA
explanation.
CASA ratio is given by the total deposits in CASA account of a bank divided by total deposits a bank is having.
Yeah,
So higher,
that's
the
correct.
more of a CASA, the more of a CASA, the better profitability for a bank because it improves the net interest margin of a bank. And also the same CASA amount or the money uh, bank can use for his profitability by investment in other securities or by lending.
Very, this correct. That's correct. You can also say like this current account plus savings account divided by total deposits into 100.
Okay, in 200, yes, sir.
Yeah. Mr. What is your full name?
Shubham Chandrakant Yeola.
Shubham. Shubham. Yeah. Shubham, what is the difference between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit?
So fixed deposit, in fixed deposit, we have to uh, invest a lump sum amount, whereas in recurring deposit, we have to invest a amount monthly or quarterly on a regular basis.
Monthly only. Monthly.
Okay, so monthly. So fixed deposits and recurring deposits offer nearly same interest rates. Uh,
Nearly, same interest rate. You should say
Same
same
interest rate.
interest.
Okay,
Very
so
good.
same interest.
What is KYC?
Interest.
What is
Sorry, sir, I'm
KYC?
confused. KYC is KYC stands for Know Your Customer. Is an effective way for an institutions to know the authenticity of the customers. Since 2004, RBI has made it mandatory for all the financial institutions to identify both the address and uh, identity identity of the customers they are transacting with or doing business with.
Please tell me what is the job role of stationary officer in a bank?
So job role is customer service and customer acquisition, achieving the targets by helping with the teams, then building the strong relationships with key customers, handling retail branch operations, and also the helping or assisting customers with the digital banking support.
Good. What do you understand by UPI? Please tell some points about it.
UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. It is an electronically or digital payment system where we can send or transfer money from one device to another. It is a cashless transactions, and in 2024, there have been 14.40 trillion, no sorry, billion of transactions of UPI has done.
And if you don't know the exact number, you say, now the number of transactions through UPI has increased manifold. I tell like that. If they ask what is the number, you can say,
Yes,
I
sir.
don't
I
know.
have read yesterday only. It is 14.40 billion.
Excellent, excellent. Then it's good.
Yes.
Very nice. Very happy. Can you tell me what is NPCI?
NPCI stands for National Payment Corporation of India. Uh, NPCI works for innovative and making the financial system or making innovations in financial system. Products of NPCI are RuPay, UPI, then electronic toll collection system, also a Bharat enabled payment system, Aadhaar based payment system.
Mm. What is BSC Sensex? What is
uh,
Nifty?
BS,
What is the
yes sir.
difference between these two?
Okay,
What
sir.
is
So
BSC
both
Sensex? What
Sensex
is
and
Nifty?
Nifty 50, oh yes, sir.
Mm.
Both Sensex and Nifty 50 are the stock indices of the particular Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. So Sensex is a stock index of top 30 companies listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange, which are doing financially sound and doing or on a large scale they are doing business.
No,
And Nifty 50 is a stock.
you need not comment on their large and all that. Simply say 30 leading company shares. Don't commit yourself. Top 30. That is wrong.
Okay.
Who are doing good business. That is not necessary. Simply say top 30 leading company shares. Or 30 leading company shares will do. Okay.
So similarly, Nifty 50 is a
50
stock
stocks
index of top 50 leading stocks. Yes, sir.
which are quoted in that stock exchange. Good.
Yes.
You told nicely. Now, what is microfinance and macrofinance?
Sir, I have not prepared this one.
Microfinance means giving advances to loans to
Small businesses.
small loans, like say
Oh,
self-help group loan and
yes,
for
sir.
say rickshawala loan and all that.
Okay,
Whereas
sir.
macro means considering state as a whole or country as a whole, thinking about it, talking about it.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your best friend.
So my best friend is. Sir, should I name him?
Don't mention the name, but tell
Okay.
my, my best friend name. Let us take as there you can tell. In the real interview, you can tell. Here you need
Yes.
not tell. Yeah.
Okay,
Mr.
sir. So my
X.
my
Yeah.
best friend name is Mr. X. So he is very supportive to me. He's very kind. In my difficult situation, he always supports me and give the best decisions. What should I do? Whenever he feels alone, he calls me and spend time with me. And if he needs help, he asks for me also to help him out or to suggest something. So we are best buddies with who I have met in college during my MBA, and I hope that this friendship will continue in future, like the same bond as it is now.
For the same candidate, they have asked next question also. Tell me about your close group of friends. Please take it up. You don't have to answer me. You try
Uh,
these questions are given in the material, in the question paper material. Are
okay,
you
sir.
aware of that? It is, are you seeing on the screen now? No.
No, sir. I'm seeing it's Yeshwantrao Maharaj Satan.
Now you are seeing, na?
Yes, sir.
These are the very same questions asked to one candidate.
Okay, sir.
Um, will you prefer operational role or sales role?
So I'm comfortable with any role that bank will provide me.
Hmm.
So if they say that no, you have to specify only one role, then what should I say?
No, no, but you can say, what is it you will prefer?
So I means for me operational role will be more suitable. But
But no,
what
you
should I?
don't say like that. If you say like that, they won't give the job. They
Yes, sir.
want only people for marketing. So you say, I will take up marketing. They will ask, how do you think you are suitable? You can say, I am a quick learner, I am a hardworking person, I am good communication skill, I plan my things properly, good in time management, and I possess leadership style, and I'm also a good team player. I am interested in solving problems and achieving targets. I will not give up targets when I am not succeeding in first or second attempt. I will try to achieve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then, wow, this question 13, question number 13, real life situation where your colleague has fraudly managed 500 rupees in bank accounts. Will you report to higher authorities or leave him?
So, sir, if my colleague has fraudulently managed 500 rupees in a bank account, I will report to higher authorities, sir, because it is unethical for me as well as for organization I'm working in.
No, no, organization is not coming. You
So,
are not
bank.
working. You are not working in bank. You have a bank account. In that bank account, one of your friend has done fraud of 500 rupees only. For that, will you report?
Okay.
I feel the best answer will be, since it is only 500 rupees and it is also done by my friend, I will not report. But in future, I will be careful about discussing with him about bank accounts and all that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that will be better. Please tell me about the business position of Federal Bank for the second quarter.
So Federal Bank has performed very well in the second quarter. The net profit has increased to 1057 crores. Uh, mm, so what more should I do? Means
You have to
because it
tell
has
that full all the points I have given you. Shall I ask you one by one?
yes, sir.
You must remember and speak. It's only few lines now. What is the total business of bank?
4.99 lakh crores.
Total
Total
deposits,
net is a total deposits rupees 2.69 lakh crores. Total net
advances,
advances rupees 2.30 lakh crores.
ROA,
Quarterly net return on
ROA,
assets return on assets for quarter 2 stood at 1.28% and return on equity stood at 13.65%. GNPA and NNPA at 2.09% and 0.57% respectively.
Federal Bank
Federal
share
Bank share
price
price
share price is around 204
204.27. Yes.
and 500 billion roughly. What is CRAR?
Uh, Capital to risk weighted asset ratio.
How
It is
much?
15.20%.
How much is
Net
net
worth
worth
of
of the bank?
net worth of the bank is 31108 crore.
31,108 crore. Good,
Okay.
very good.
So means
Best way.
if asked about Federal Bank, then I have to tell all the financials.
No, no. If they ask what do you know about Federal Bank, you will tell. Federal Bank was started by what is his name?
KP Hormes.
Okay,
KP Hormes.
AP Hormes. And in the year 1931, the headquarters is situated in Aluva, Kochi. At present, the managing director of the bank is Mr. KVS Manian. Bank has got 1,537 banking outlets. It has got so many ATMs, so many cash recyclers, and they have got total customer of 1.85 crore customers. And the banks this much. And then bank is unique in offering digital banking services, and it is the topmost among the banks as far as all the digital services, and it has received so many awards. Mention the names of awards.
Yes, sir.
They
I will
also
mention
do.
some awards
They
and
also,
CSR activities.
yeah, they also do corporate social responsibility activities, including Sanjeevani cancer treatment. And then you tell if you stop and they say, come on, tell about business, you can say. Otherwise, if you remember, the bank has received highest ever net profit in this quarter. Business position is as follows. Like that, you can say.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay.
among the digitalization, today I have posted a video about some you can make changes through WhatsApp, then UPI transactions being made more, and then Smile Pay, how it is useful. You please read in the material they have given. And I have also posted a video today. Please watch that one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you so much.
Uh,
You did
Thank
well.
you, sir.
I wish you
So,
success. Yeah.
so please give some comments or where I
No,
should improve.
no. See, in respect of economics and finance area, you are appearing to be weak because the question microeconomics, macroeconomics is a basic question which even
Okay.
BA economics fellow will answer, but you are not able to answer that. So this type of improvements, you please study some economics like GDP, GNP, then balance of payment, balance of trade,
Yes.
budgeting, all these things also you read. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Best wishes. You will do
So
well. I think you
one
will
more question.
succeed. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I have one question because in our campus also the federal bank have came, and last time I asked you that I have not made it through their group discussion round.
No
So
problem.
if no,
No,
sir, I
for
have
such
prepared
people,
attention.
for such people, they will say, "How could you succeed now? How did you succeed?" Sir, in the
Uh,
last time when I was in the college, I was not having any experience about group discussion because of the experience I had last year. And this year, I prepared seriously for group discussion. Don't tell my name. Don't
no,
tell
sir,
my
no, sir.
I seriously prepared for group discussion and I could ensure success. And
And
now
so if
I am preparing for this interview by going through my subjects and also by going through banking, current affairs, and by watching, say, by going through internet pages, by browsing pages, I get to acquire knowledge regarding these areas.
yes, sir. And sir, if they ask that why didn't you get selected in other companies you sat for the placements, then what should I answer?
I was not selected. That's all.
So
There's
because
no
I
reason.
have
No
okay, sir, I
reason.
am not
No
okay,
reason.
sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, thank you, sir. Bye, sir.